Greetings and salutations, YouTube land. People back again with another unboxing video. Today I have for you my two latest pickups from Special Reserve Games. If you don't know, Special Reserve Games is a limited print gaming company. They mostly do Switch with some PS4 and a couple of random PC releases. I'm pretty much trying to get a full set of theirs because they have these really cool boxes the games come in that are gorgeous. They had some issues with game shipping. I think COVID kind of messed up a lot of their production. They're starting to ramp them up because I've gotten like 2 back-ordered games in like the last 2 weeks. Actually 4, because it was 2 double sets. A little bummed because I had a video recorded for the last ones. Something went wrong, the file got corrupted, and one of my numbered games was literally number 1 of 3,000. It's really bummed that one didn't come out. Hopefully I got some good numbers this time. Ready? Let's get ready for the unboxing. Collector Chomp, thank you. As I'm opening this, I just want to remind you, my giveaway for the signed Bret Hart Funko Pop is still going on. I will post the video up somewhere. Just comment on the video. For bonus entry, go to my Twitter channel. My Twitter account, and retweet the tweet. And you will be entered to win this baby. You can see we have the special Dougie boxes. They take really, really good care of their game shipping, so I love these guys. They also have a really awesome Discord channel, so if you want to have some fun, hang out in there. The first game up is Heave Ho for the Switch. These little, I don't know if they look like they might be magnets. Some of the characters. The Sarge stickers they've been putting in like everything lately. Got a ton of those. And some stickers for Heave Ho itself. Yeah, they always do neat stuff with the games. You don't just get the game. So yeah. Let's see. Here's the game itself. Once again, I don't know a lot about this game. I hadn't heard of it before. I just grabbed it. But this box is beautiful. This kid did some embossing, and the back of it is a beautiful foil. Let's see, I have number 77 of 3,000. Another very, very early one. Try to very carefully open this. It's usually not a lot packed inside anymore because they had some stuff damage some of the boxes. So most of the goodies are outside. Usually inside is just the game and the instruction book. Let's see. Yeah, unfortunately, like I said, I don't know a lot about this game. I trust them. They usually put out very high quality games. It's not all like shovelware garbage, so. You can see the number. They work with Devolver a lot, so. I hope they get Katana Zero, come to think of it. I don't know, that one might be an LRG exclusive or something, but I would love to see them get that. That was an awesome game. Go. Inside we have the reversible artwork for the game. This game looks really interesting. I'm gonna have to give it a try. It's like the art style. It's a physics-based local multiplayer adventure. Cross an impossibly wide ravine and don't fall to your death. That's my goals most every day. You can see controls in there. Ooh, secrets. This sounds like it might be a really fun game to play when I want to yell at the kids for no good reason. Or my wife. Although she doesn't play many multiplayer games with me since I accidentally threw her down the pit playing Super Mario Brothers on the Wii. She still hasn't forgiven me. Let it go, woman. Thank God the camera didn't pick up what she just showed to me. Next we have Pikuniku. I have no idea. Sarge stickers. Pikuniku stickers. Huh. This looks like a very cutesy game. A little comic book. The cover. Once again done with the foil. And we have number 108. Still low. Not quite as low. One day I want to get 666. Let's see. There we go. So, the game. Yeah, this was a double release. They've done a few of those lately. Honestly, not a fan of the doubles just because it's 2 games to buy at once. Very simplistic artwork inside, I must say. And I like the original cover more. Oh, it's a puzzle exploration game. That is right up my alley. You play as Piku, the Vorticist. Piku Piku. It looks like a very interesting game. Yeah, there we go. My 2 latest releases from Special Reserve Games. If you're interested and you missed out on these, I highly recommend you join the Discord. Me talk good? No, bad talk too. The Discord channel. They usually do some second chance at some of these. They have extras for ones damaged in shipping or whatnot. And usually if you're in the Discord, you will have first shot at the games. That is how I was able to get a couple of the ones that I missed. And to get my collection complete as of date. There we go. 2 games, 2 beautiful packages. I believe they have an open pre-order game going right now, so check the site. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in getting into these. And like I said, join the Discord. It's a lot of fun. I honestly wish I had more time to hang out in there. Alright, if you enjoyed this, shoot that thumbs up. Any comments, any questions about Special Reserve? Don't believe me that I had a number 1? Comment down below. You know I love hearing from you guys. Ding that bell to be notified whenever my videos go live. Hit that subscribe button over here so you don't miss any videos. So always be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes.